Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to integrate Outlook with Microsoft Teams. So first thing that you should do here is you have to create an event. So there we can turn on and connect the Microsoft Teams. All right, so here just going to go to the calendar option here at the top left of our screen, and then you just have to select a specific date to schedule an event. So for example, this one right here. All right, and then after that you just have to double tap this one. Then you have there now the Teams meeting. So all you have to do is just toggle the switch on for this one so that you'd be able to use the Microsoft Teams meeting using this schedule. And also right here at the top right, okay, so let me just close this one. You have this meet now option, and as you can see, we already have here now the Microsoft Teams. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.